Okay, so everything that Stephanie just said is on point, and every single one of you will experience it because we know this to be true, right? So for me, the first thing that I noticed was on day one when we were in Park City, they took us down at the river, and then we had lunch. And at lunch, there was cookies, and there was chips, and all that kind of stuff. And I looked at the cookies, and I'm like, doesn't even look good, right? And then I grabbed a bag of chips, and I took it over where I ate my sandwich without bread, because I had no desire for the bread. And I never opened them, because my body didn't want it. On day 2, I noticed a huge rewiring of my brain, which is crazy. I mean, how many of you have been on this roller coaster of weight loss for like decades? It was me, right? How emotional is that? I mean, Stephanie, I feel you, girl. I feel you. I mean, because I have been this, and then I was like, ugh, on the weight gain thing, you know, in my mid-50s, not being able to do anything about it no matter what I did. And I was mean to myself. I was mean. How mean are you to yourself when you're looking in the mirror? It's like, oh my God, I can't believe you're even gonna try to go out looking like that. You look like a fat slob. The things that we would say to ourselves, right? On day 2, I'm sitting there mixing up the powders for Dondi and I, and there's a mirror right in front of me, and I look up and I'm like, you look thinner already. My brain said that to me. That is not, or was not, normal, right? And it just continued to do that. Lost all food noise. It's like, it's crazy when it's quiet in your mind. It's amazing how much space we gave food, right? Sugar addiction, gone. I haven't desired anything sweet. As a matter of fact, last night with our barbecue, I didn't use any barbecue sauce. The coleslaw was too sweet for me. I had to taste it. It was like, this is not even good, right? Your body will tell you. You will focus on what your body needs instead of what you used to think you wanted. So it's like you'll be focusing on, okay, protein. I need to get more protein in my body because I know that I'm losing fat. I want to protect my muscle. You will be focusing on protein. You will be focusing on good carbs. You will be focusing on good fats. And you'll have set yourself reminders to eat because you're not going to be hungry. You're not going to desire it. So today's about like 49 or 50 days, right, babe? Something like that. So when I measured on Monday, Tuesday, down 8 pounds, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, divorce the scale, because the scale lies to you. It doesn't tell you the truth of what's happening. I've lost 12 3/4 inches. Wow. Okay. 12 3/4 inches. But let's talk blood work. My cholesterol's down 31 points. Wow. My cortisol's down, like, I think it's like 25 points. Okay? My A1C is down 0.4 in 45 days. Okay? 45 days. And the best part is I feel like I'm me. I'm the me that I'm supposed to be when I walk in the room. I feel like I've got that confidence, and I feel better actually now than I did when I went through the police academy and was like top 10 fitness, right? I feel better now, and that's crazy. So I'm so excited for every single one of you. Be anticipatory, but don't just wait. I would say get on your phones and go live before the event even starts. Share the excitement of what's going on here. Get loud about what we have and what we're launching, because 74% of Americans are overweight, and they are dying for a solution, because that's what the synthetics do, is they're killing their bodies. So no better time than right now. Get loud, okay?